look at the beauty of nature, when you observe this majestic harmony that permeates every atom in existence, when you really take it in, you can almost see the greater governing force that animates all of nature. Into infinite particles, creating the most diverse beauty, the most sublime intelligence that is all of life. And it's essentially a program designed to give life, to create, sustain, and guide the evolution of life. So when we see things in nature that seem cruel or violent, it's all part of the program. It's part of the harmonious symphony of life. Because nature is this incredible interplay between opposite forces. It's the inconceivable union of heat and cold, light and darkness, ebb and flow, male and female, all dancing together to create life. Of nature follow this program of interdependence. It's embedded in their DNA, coded into their instincts. Every rock, every plant, every animal embodies the program. So what about us humans? Are we not part of nature's all-pervasive program of life? Are we some kind of cosmic anomaly? Why do we humans evolve to feel independent and separate from each other and the rest of nature? Is it possible that our sense of separation is by design? Is it possible that Mother Nature, as if pushed us humans out of her womb to give us a sense of independence, so we can choose to participate in nature's program? Because then we would gain a conscious experience of the wholeness and perfection and bliss that surround us. Then all our crimes, our conflicts, division, wars, they're just a phase of our evolution. Until we can consciously integrate with nature's program, until we can hear the symphony of life around us and join the dance. So if Mother Nature knows what she's doing, then our conscious connection to each other and to all of nature is our inevitable future.